Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are safe at your home. So here I am with the chapter number 4, that is sorting materials into groups. So chapter से हमारे दिमाग में एक क्वेश्चन आता है कि what is the need of grouping? Objects are different on basis of its nature, shape, properties, materials. Grouping object on basis of its properties make studies convenient. जी हाँ, ग्रुपिंग हम इसलिए करते हैं ताकि हम स्टडीज़ को ईजी बनाएं. Now let's understand the difference between two terms, that is materials and objects. Materials make up the object, but object does not make up the material. For example, wood, plastic, metal, fabrics, these all are materials, but that make up the object: carpet, curtains, sofa, television, kettle, teapot, these all are the objects. For example, we are having a sheet of glass. Sheet of glass हमारा एक मटीरियल है. इसी मटीरियल से हम ऑब्जेक्ट बना सकते हैं, लाइक अ जग. ये जग हमारा क्या हो गया? एक ऑब्जेक्ट. So coming back to the grouping, I can separate all the objects based on their properties, like objects that are hard, objects that are soft, objects that are transparent, objects that are made from wood. So all these properties help make our life convenient. Like if we place bowls at one place, plates at one place, all the vegetables and fruit we assemble in the fridge, so it will be easier for us to find it out. Okay, now moving towards the properties of materials. First property जो है वो है appearance. Appearance is divided into two parts, that is lustrous and non-lustrous. Lustrous materials, the materials which are having shine. ऐसे materials जो shine करते हैं, चमकदार होते हैं, उन्हें lustrous material कहते हैं, as you can see in the picture. And wood, that is dull in appearance, ये non-lustrous material है. Most of the metals जो होते हैं वो shiny होते हैं, they are lustrous. And for example, wall is a non-lustrous object. So the next important property is hardness. When you press different material with your hands, some of the item may be hard to compress or some may be easy to compress. Materials जो easily compress हो जाते हैं उन्हें हम कहते हैं soft material, और जो easily compress नहीं होते हैं उन्हें हम कहते हैं hard materials. Example of hard material is a brick of metal, and example of soft material is cotton, towel, wool, etc. So the next important property is solubility. They are divided into two parts, that is soluble and insoluble. The substances which dissolve in water is called soluble, and the substances which do not dissolve in water is insoluble in water. Soluble materials make a single layer of water, like lemon juice, vinegar, etc. But in insoluble substances, it forms a distinctive layer, as you can see in the picture. जब हम ऑयल और वाटर को मिक्स करेंगे तो उसमें ऑयल की एक अलग लेयर बन रही है. दिस शोज दैट ऑयल इज इनसॉल्युबल इन वाटर. So students, to make it more clear, we have taken here sugar, sand and water. जब हम शुगर को वाटर में मिक्स करेंगे तो एक शुगर सॉल्यूशन बनेगा आफ्टर स्टिरिंग इट. बट व्हेन वी विल मिक्स सैंड इन वाटर, आफ्टर सम टाइम वी विल नोटिस दैट सैंड जो है वाटर के नीचे सेटल डाउन हो जाएगी बीकर में. दिस शोज दैट सैंड इज इनसॉल्युबल इन वाटर एंड शुगर इज सॉल्युबल इन वाटर. Moving towards the next property, that is flotation. This is divided into two parts, float and sink. As we all know, the material which is heavy in weight all sink in water. The materials which are light in weight all float on water. Objects sink because its weight is more than the weight of water, and objects float because its weight is less than the weight of the water. Now the next and very most important property of material, that is transparency. Transparency is divided into three parts: transparent, translucent, and opaque. An object is said to be transparent if light passes through it completely. An object is said to be translucent if light passes through it partially. And the object which does not allow to pass through it any light is called an opaque object. So here we have taken three sheets, that is transparent, translucent and opaque. ट्रांसपेरेंट शीट में सारी लाइट पास हो रही है थ्रू इट, सो वी कैन सी इट क्लियरली. बट ट्रांसलूसेंट में सम ऑफ द लाइट रेज पास हो रही हैं और सम वहीं पे ब्लॉक हो रही हैं. दैट इज़ वाई वी आर एबल टू सी ब्लर इमेज. और थर्ड वन में ओपेक में कोई भी लाइट पास नहीं हो रही है. दैट इज़ वाई वी आर नॉट एबल टू सी इट. So students, I hope you all understand the properties of materials and the importance of grouping them. So the next time you move to your kitchen, you must notice the things that are arranged in such manner that similar objects are placed together. They are placed together so that you can locate them easily. Now we are at the end of the chapter. Thank you students. Hope you all understand the chapter well.